Here's a guide on how to get the most out of your Xiaomi Smart Band 8. Whether you're a seasoned user or thinking about just getting one, this video is packed with quick and easy tips and tricks. And here's the exciting part of the video. You have the possibility to win one of the 3 brand new Xiaomi Smart Band 8 devices, including some accessories, so stick around till the end of the video. And now, let's dive in. Before we dive into the tips and tricks, let's do a quick unboxing. Xiaomi has just released the Smart Band 8 globally, and we've got both the elegant graphite black and the stylish gold models right here. When you open the box, you'll find the Smart Band 8 itself. Next to it is the charger, and of course you have the mandatory paperwork. But what's even more exciting is that there is a wide range of accessories available. Xiaomi is spoiling us for choice with 7 different materials and colors of band straps, so we can switch up the styles for any occasion, or try the new pendant or running clip. So there haven't been a major change in my tips and tricks compared to the Xiaomi Smart Band 7, which you can find here in the top right corner, so go check it out after watching this video. The major change is mainly the accessories available, and that's due to the new way that you can connect the straps to the Smart Band. Regarding new tips and tricks, for the very first time we have the possibility of knowing how long the Smart Band will last until it runs out of juice. This allows us to predict if it's needed to bring a charger or not. There's even an option to turn on the battery saver mode right away to see how long it will last in that scenario. Another first is the option to regulate the brightness of the display. Now, most of the times it works perfect. However, I prefer to set the brightness myself in certain scenarios. And within the settings, it's therefore now possible to choose custom or auto. Now, let's get into another tip. Start using the running clip. Whether you're hitting the pavement for a jog or just going about your daily errands, this clip will help you to stay on track and keep you motivated. The running clip just goes beyond tracking your steps. It provides detailed running related data to give you accurate running guidance and help you maintain the correct running posture, which can reduce the risk of an injury and enhances your running performance. And the best part? It seamlessly syncs with the Mi Fitness app, allowing you to monitor your progress as well as set new running goals. During your run, you can get a real-time view of your landing pattern, correct your running posture on the fly, and monitor metrics like cadence, pace, touchdown time, and landing impact. After your run, you can evaluate your performance based on segment data at different paces. The running clip supports various statistics data such as stride and distance, stride frequency, stride length, and more. It's like having a personal running coach on your wrist. In case you're not so much into sports and more into fashion, there are many brand new strap designs available, which is a nice addition. From colorful TPU straps to leather braided straps, and from checkered straps to double wrap straps or stainless steel leather chain straps. The Xiaomi Smart Band 8 is no longer restricted to your wrist or shoe, because it could also be worn as a necklace with the pendant necklace accessory. While it's not my style and it does flip to the side quite often, I can imagine that people would like it. Now onto the exciting part of this video is that because of your continuous support, I want to thank all of you, and that's why I have an additional 3 Xiaomi Smart Band devices available thanks to Xiaomi. They're all over here, including some accessories, a braided strap, the pendant, and the running clip. To enter the contest, it's as simple as leaving a comment below the video telling us your favorite feature of the Xiaomi Smart Band 8. Anyone who lives in Europe can enter the contest, and after 2 weeks that this video goes live, it will close. So make sure while you're watching, leave a comment right away, and maybe you're one of the lucky 3 winners. With your comments, you not only enter the giveaway, but you also help me and Xiaomi to develop even better products. So it's a win-win situation. In case you can't get enough tips and tricks, but maybe you also want to unlock the full potential of your phone, go watch this video over here. I made it quite some time ago, but it's still super relevant if you own a Xiaomi smartphone. Anyways, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video and you learned something. And if you did so, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one.